Welcome back to VeloView, the place where we take a deep dive into the most thrilling machines on four wheels. Today, I'm going to give you a full review of the 2026 Lamborghini Temerario. The car that has been making waves is the official replacement for the legendary Huracán. This isn't just an evolution, it's a revolution in Lamborghini's approach to performance cars, and it represents a bold shift toward the future while still holding on to the raw emotion that makes a Lamborghini what it is. So buckle up because this is going to be an in-depth ride. The first thing that defines the Temerario is its heart, and Lamborghini has done something truly dramatic here. The naturally aspirated V10 of the Huracán has been retired, and in its place sits a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 with a flat plane crank that revs to a screaming 10,000 revolutions per minute. That's a number you usually associate with racing engines, not something street legal, but Lamborghini has never been about half measures. This engine alone produces around 789 horsepower and 538 pound-feet of torque, already monstrous on its own. But this isn't just about combustion, because Lamborghini has gone hybrid. 3 electric motors join the party, one between the engine and transmission, and 2 mounted on the front axle. These are powered by a compact 3.8 kilowatt-hour battery pack. Together, the system delivers a combined 907 horsepower, pushing the Temerario firmly into hypercar territory. With that power, the numbers are jaw-dropping. 0 to 60 miles per hour takes just 2.7 seconds, and the top speed is over 210 miles per hour. That makes it quicker, faster, and more versatile than the Huracán it replaces. But raw power is just one part of the story. The Temerario rides on a brand new aluminum space frame, designed to be lighter yet stiffer than before. The torsional rigidity has gone up significantly, and the chassis has been designed around the needs of a hybrid powertrain while still keeping Lamborghini's obsession with driving dynamics alive. The car is larger than the Huracán, with more width, more wheelbase, and more cabin space. That extra space is a blessing for taller drivers or those who want to wear a helmet on track days without feeling cramped. It's also part of Lamborghini's vision of making the Temerario not just faster, but also more livable. From the outside, the design screams Lamborghini. Aggressive intakes, razor-sharp lines, and dramatic proportions make the Temerario a car you can't mistake for anything else. Aerodynamics are a key factor too, with active elements, hidden ducts, and a massive diffuser ensuring the car stays planted at insane speeds. For those who want even more track focus, there's the Alleggerita lightweight package, which strips away unnecessary weight and swaps in carbon fiber components to increase downforce and sharpen performance. Tires are another talking point. Lamborghini offers Bridgestone Potenza Sport tires for everyday driving, but the real enthusiasts will want the Potenza race tires, which transform the grip levels on track into something truly extreme. Step inside, and the Temerario is a futuristic cockpit designed to immerse you in the driving experience. Lamborghini has carried over some design inspiration from the Revuelto, so expect hexagonal vents, sharp surfaces, and a fighter jet-inspired layout. Everything is driver-focused, with digital displays for both driver and passenger, high-quality materials everywhere, and a mix of comfort and performance touches. You can spec 18-way adjustable heated and ventilated seats, or go for the lightweight bucket seats if track work is your priority. Space is up compared to the Huracán, with over an inch of additional headroom and almost 2 inches of extra legroom, making this a more practical supercar for taller drivers. Tech has been upgraded significantly, with telemetry functions, data logging, and even a 3-camera recording system that captures the front, side, and cabin view, doubling as a built-in dashcam. It's a digital playground that blends track analysis with lifestyle features. Driving modes add another layer of personality. Lamborghini has packed in everything from Città for urban driving, Strada for everyday use, Sport for spirited roads, and Casa for full attack on track. There's even a drift mode that lets you fine-tune how much slip angle you want, thanks to the front electric motors managing torque vectoring with precision. This isn't just about going fast in a straight line, it's about tailoring the experience to your mood, whether you're cruising downtown in silence with the electric motors or sliding sideways in controlled chaos on a track. The electric-only range is tiny, about 5 to 6 miles, but it's enough for sneaking through quiet neighborhoods or arriving at a venue silently before unleashing the V8 symphony. Of course, Lamborghini has stayed true to its DNA when it comes to sound. The V10 may be gone, but the flat plane crank V8 still sings with a high revving character that is rare in turbocharged engines. There's no artificial sound piped in, what you hear is mechanical, raw, and visceral. At low revs it's deeper and angrier, while at the top end it's screaming, intense, and every bit as dramatic as you'd expect from Santata. It may not replicate the exact melody of the old Huracán, but it carves out its own unique and thrilling soundtrack. Performance on track is where the Temerario comes alive. The weight is higher than before, with curb weights tipping over 4,000 pounds in some configurations, but Lamborghini has engineered around that. The steering is light at low speeds but builds beautifully as you attack corners, giving you confidence in the front end. The electric motors contribute to razor-sharp torque vectoring, so the car pivots willingly through bends. Braking performance from the standard carbon ceramic setup is strong and consistent, giving you confidence to push lap after lap. And thanks to the driving modes, you can set the car up to be playful, sliding through turns in drift mode, or clinical and surgical in Casa mode. On real roads, the Temerario feels surprisingly usable for something so extreme. The suspension tuning in Strada mode makes it tolerable for longer drives, and the extra cabin space makes it easier to live with day to day. Visibility is still supercar-like, which means it's not the easiest car to maneuver in tight city spaces, but Lamborghini has improved camera systems and driver aids to reduce stress. The hybrid system adds a layer of efficiency, but let's be clear, this is not a car you buy for fuel economy. When you unleash the full power of that V8 and those motors, consumption will still be wild. What the hybrid system does give you, though, is responsiveness, torque fill at low RPM, and the ability to do those short silent runs when you want stealth. Pricing starts at around $390,000, but with options like the Alleggerita package, carbon wheels, custom paints, and luxury interior trims, the cost will quickly climb much higher. That makes it one of the most expensive Lamborghinis in this segment, but also one of the most advanced and capable. It isn't just a replacement for the Huracán, it's a whole new era for Lamborghini, one that blends outrageous performance with hybrid technology and forward-thinking design. The 2026 Lamborghini Temerario is more than a car, it's a statement. It proves that even as the world moves toward electrification, Lamborghini can still deliver something emotional, raw, and intoxicating. It keeps the madness alive while adding modern usability and tech. For purists, the loss of the V10 might sting, but spend time with the Temerario and you'll realize Lamborghini hasn't lost its soul, it's just evolved. Thank you so much for watching this detailed review of the Lamborghini Temerario. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want more exciting content on the world's most incredible machines, don't forget to subscribe to VeloView for more.